Here we are again for another proposal review. Today we're reviewing Anna's proposal and it reads, "Hi there, I came across this job proposal and I'm confident I can help you. I'm a 2D artist graduate with a level 4 degree in 2021. I'm not quite sure what that is. A level 4 degree? Is it a 4-year degree? Maybe. We'll get to that. We'll talk about my thoughts in the end this time. Since then, I have started my professional journey of freelancing as a 2D illustrator. The main software I work with are Photoshop, Procreate, and Animate. I'll keep you updated with all the progress so we can adjust everything accordingly. I'm also extremely organized, detail-oriented, and efficient. I'd love to learn more about your needs. Hope to hear from you soon. Best regards, Anna." By the way, she told me that this is actually kind of a sort of a template that she uses that hopefully she tweaks for every client that she gets. I personally have a different approach to templates. I like to leave blank spots in my templates to avoid the impulse of wanting to just copy and paste and call it a day. So for example, here I would have written hi, name, and then I would put some sort of a hook. Now this in your template would look like just the word hook in all caps, but like I've talked about before, your hook, you want it to be essentially a sentence that speaks directly to that particular client's needs. And then I would say, I graduated in 2021 with a 2D artist degree. Since then, I've started my professional journey of freelancing as a 2D illustrator. I'm proficient in using Photoshop, Procreate, and Animate. I know Photoshop and Procreate. I don't think I've ever heard about Animate, but I'll look it up after this video because I'm curious. And say, I like keeping my clients in the loop at every stage of the project, just so you know exactly what I'm working on and can ask for revisions as needed. But also, I want to warn you about revisions because there is such a thing as scope creep, and you definitely want to have a limit of revision. Maybe you allow one revision per stage of the process. I'm extremely organized, detail-oriented, and efficient, so you can rest assured that you'll have top quality work or something like that. I would put, once again, space for a question. So you can just type in your template the word question in all caps so you can replace it with a custom question for each individual client. All about saving time, but when it comes to proposals, you want to be as personalized as possible. For example, do they have a preference in colors or in illustration style? Can they show you samples of work they like and that they don't like maybe? I like to sign off with a looking forward to hearing from you. You can offer to hop on a call if you're open to that. Or you can just say, let me know if you have any questions and offer to help them. With the edits that I put on the screen, I think you'll have a great start for your proposals. Don't forget to always customize them so you have the best chance of getting accepted. And also, since you're a 2D artist, I think you should always attach a portfolio. It's something you can create easily on Canva. I would attach it to every single proposal you send and let them know to check out the attachments. If you too want your proposal to be reviewed right here on the channel, let me know. I'll have the form right down below in the description. As always, it's a simple Google form, so you just fill it out. Let me know your information and I'll review it right here on the channel. I've had some people ask me about submitting profiles, and I think I'll do some profiles, not all the time. If you would rather submit your profile, let me know and I'll consider it. In the meantime, check out the rest of the playlist so you can see more tips that I've shared, and I'll see you there.